People of Biafra, Biafra at heart, Biafra at core, I want to talk to you. It's you that brought me this morning. If you are one of them, good morning. If you are one of the Biafra at core, good morning. If you are one of the Biafra die at, good morning. I want to clear some things. 3 things I want to clear now on air. And then for those who say, I don't supposed to be on air, go and hang yourself. You always see me. I have told you time without number that you always see me. This is one of the tools to fight war. If you really think we will leave this space, this airspace for you to be coming and talk rubbish, and we will not respond, you are insane. If you think say that we will not debunk your propaganda and correct those wrong, those blackmail, those nonsense you talk, and you think we will allow you to deceive Biafrans, you are insane. We will be here. See, Biafra is fully restored. You will always see us. Our purpose of being on air is of 3 purposes. 1, to enlighten the world who we are and why we are doing what we are doing, Biafra. I told you. 2 is to update you the present state of Biafra, like the present condition and the state of Biafra. 3, which is lastly, is to debunk all your propaganda. These are the 3 reasons you always see us online. 3 reasons. Many of you have full my DM with nonsense questions, and I want to debunk those or give you answer to those questions, and then properly strengthen some of your brain, because some of you your brain are not. You're very low in reasoning, because some of you did not even know why you are called Biafrans or why you joined the Biafran agitation. Person who no know where in they go will never know when in done lost. That is how some of you are. Yes, that is the situation, the true situation of some of you. Your action be network is breaking. In case this transmission have been broken, so you bear with me. Allow me to tell you this, please. I was just to be on air for just 10 minutes, but the network have been breaking. But let me quickly run out. No time to waste. Some of you say, General Bututo say that on 7 January he will take over power. There was a condition attached to that clause, that word. He make himself very clear, and he did not change his word. The Conflict Resolution Committee, General Butuzo invited them to step into the matter and resolve the matter so that it will not get out of hand. And they did. And they came out with result for Ngele to be acting on behalf of PM until he come out. We agree. We accept. And we move on. If it was not, I believe that after that, the circular was sent to Dr. Ngozi or Mrs. Ngozi. I believe that. So therefore, there was no need, or there is no need, for General Butuzo to take over power. That is one. Biafra are just... Secondly, some of you ask, seeing Commander Gentle, the Yahoo, eating chicken, he say he does not bring a good record to this struggle. What is he trying to say? Some of you even go to insult him, talk rubbish. You are very stupid. Allow me to use the word very, very stupid. Somebody say that men are born you. If you think you can stop Biafra, they never born you. They never born you. Yes, I'm telling you the gospel truth. They never born you. Somebody say that men are zipping Gary. You did not say anything. And then you saw Gentle eating with his ancestors. You become angry. He provoked you. You saw Gentle eating with his ancestor. He provoked you. But you, those of you who are churchgoer, you carry things, chicken, cow, fowl. Some of you are very evil. You saw a man who eat with his ancestors. You become jealous and angry. Nothing wrong with what Gentle did. When we cook for our ancestors, listen and listen. Carve out this very part I'm going to say and send it to the zoo. You will fail me. I will never fail you. Nnamdi